Flooding disturbs Myanmar, also known as Burma. Record-level monsoons over the past week have affected tens of thousands of people as major flooding hit western, eastern, and southern regions of the country. A first-time ever 29.1 inches or 73.9 centimeters fell in Rakhine State's Taungup town over a single 24-hour period, with waters so high that navigation in many areas could only be achieved by boat. Displaced families, especially in Kayin and Rakhine states as well as Bago Region, have sought shelter at monasteries and community buildings on higher grounds, with local volunteers providing food packages. Tens of thousands of acres of farmland have also been inundated by the record amounts of rain, causing a second loss of crops this year, with many farmers who cannot afford a third batch of seedlings.
Upon hearing of the storm-stricken residents, Supreme Master Jinghai asked that our nearby association members please check with local officials to see if aid is required, saying that if it is not possible for our association members to go there and help, emergency funds are available to send to a humanitarian agency already working in the area.
We are thankful for the generosity of the local people in providing for fellow residents in need, as well as for Supreme Master Jinghai's wholehearted concern. May Buddha grace the Burmese people a soon restoration of their productive regular lives, as our greater consideration for the environment helps ease destructive conditions such as these.